Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how to revamp your old dress into a new design. So guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Now this is an old dress. It has an iron bond. Okay, so I want to revamp it into a new design. I want to revamp the dress. Okay, so what I'll do is a long dress, so I'll reduce it to a short dress. Okay, you can see the iron start from this, so I'll reduce the length. Now from this point I have my 44 inches, so I'll go ahead and put a line. You can see the line. Now from this point I'll take the measurement, so I have 42 inches. So I can still come up. If you want it to be short, longer, can still come up by 2 inches. Okay, now I will not touch the body, I'll only work on the armhole. Okay, so my armhole is 8.5 inches. Is 8.5 inches here. Okay, my shoulder measurement is 16 inches, divided into 2 will give me 8 inches. So from the armhole line I will remove 1 inch, making it 7 inches. Then I'll take the 7 inches and I'll connect the lines. After connecting the lines, I'll put shoulder slope 1 inch here. For the neckline I use 4 inches. Okay, 3.5, sorry. I'll mark my 6 cm, 1 inch above. Then I'll connect my armhole. I'll go ahead and cut it for you to see. Then for the neckline, I'll go ahead and mark 5 inches. I'll use 5 inches both front and the back. So by the time I open it, this is how it looks. If you want, you can actually reduce it. Okay, if this side is too wide for you, you can go ahead and reduce it. Okay, then this will serve. This is my leftover fabric. I'll use it. I'll combine it to make the sleeve. If I want, I can actually use this, but I can actually use this side to create the sleeve. Okay, if you really want it, you can actually use this side and create the sleeve, but I want a different look altogether. Just go ahead and fold the fabric into 2. Okay, for the width here I have 12 inches. Then I have 25 times 2 is folded into 2, that's 50. So I'm cutting both sleeves together. Okay, so what I'll be doing is to take out 4 inches here, Then from this point I have to curve it. What I have here is 13 inches divided into 2 will give me 6.5 inches. From this point I will slope it down. Okay, then connect it to this point. Then I'll go ahead and notch the shoulders. Now my round sleeve is 11 inches. So guys, I've joined the shoulder and I went ahead to tape the mouth of the neckline. Okay, so the next thing is the sleeve. This is the sleeve. It has a brown design and black, so I have to use something different. Okay, the next thing I'll do, just paint on this and cover it up. Just make a gather with this. Okay, the same thing to the second sleeve, after which I will attach it to the dress. Then I'll show you the picture of how it looks after sewing. You'll see how beautiful it will now be. So keep watching and watch to the end. So after revamping it, this is how it looks. So beautiful. You can see the design is very beautiful. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friends. Keep watching for more designs, and bye until I see my next video.